Welcome to the School Time by Ritu. In this video, I am going to give you the solution of exercise 11.2 and the formulas related to the exercise are given here. You can take the screenshot and link to PDF is given below in the description. Question number 1. This is a figure of parallelogram in which this side is base and this is height. Why this is base and this is height? Because it is making a 90-degree angle here. Wherever the 90-degree angle will fall, that line will be considered as the base. So formula of the area of parallelogram is base into height. In question 1, you have to find the area of the parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, the formula is base into height. Here base is given 7 cm and height is 4 cm. So the answer will be 28 cm square. Similarly, in the second figure, 5 cm is the base and 3 cm is the height. So area will be 3 into 5, that is 15 cm square. Similarly, you can find the area of each and every figure. Now you can find yourself also. This is a normal multiplication, so I don't think that a student of class 7 needs a multiplication, solution of the multiplication. You can find the solutions. Question 2. In this question, you have to find the area of the triangle. The formula of the area of triangle is half base into height. Half into base into height. This is base and this is height. Means 5 cm is the base and 3 cm is the height. Similarly, as I told you, for the parallelogram, wherever the line of 90 degree will fall, that line will be considered as the base. So half base is 5 and height is 3. So it will be 7.5 centimeter square. Second part. Now this is the 90 degree line and it is falling here. So 5 centimeter, this line will be considered as the base and this will be height. So area will be half into 3.2 into 5. Cancel kiya and you will get 8 centimeter square. Third question, this is 90 degree line and this is base. So this is 4 centimeter is the height and 3 centimeter is the base. So area will be again the same formula, half into base into height. Height is 4. So 2 से इसको cancel करेंगे. So it will be 6 centimeter square. Last part, this is height 2 centimeter and the base is 3 centimeter. So area will be half into 3 into 2. 2 and 2 cancel. 3 centimeter square. Question 3. Find the missing values. Base, height, area of parallelogram. Means according to the area of parallelogram, either you have to find the height or base. Already in the formulas I have shown you that height, how will you find? The formula for finding height is area upon base. Then 246 upon 20. This is centimeter square and this is centimeter. So after dividing, you can get 21s are 20, 4 remaining, 22s are 40, 6 remaining decimal and 23s are 60. So this will be filled here. 12.3 centimeter. Now for the second part, again base, here base you have to find, then base is equals to area upon height. Area is given 154.5 centimeter square and height is given 15. By 15 it will be divided. 15 ones are 15, then 4, 0, decimal, 15 threes are 45. Now third part. In the third part again the base is to be find out. Formula is here. So 48.72 centimeter square upon 8.4. If you will calculate, you will get 5.8 centimeter. Now for the fourth part, height is to be find out. For the height, the formula is area upon base. Here 10.3, here 5.8. So here this formula will be used. Area upon base means 16.38 upon 15.6 for the D part. 16.38 centimeter square upon 15.6. When you will calculate it, you will get 1.05 centimeter. Question 4. Find the missing values. In this you have to find the missing values according to the area of the triangle. Here the height is missing. So for finding the height, if the area is given, area of the triangle is given and base is given, the formula will be, already I have given you in the starting, height is equals to 2 into area upon base. So 2 into 87 centimeter square upon 15. This will give you 11.6 centimeter. This is part A. In part B, the base is to be find out. Then the formula for the base, if the area and height is given, 2 into area upon height. 2 into area is given 1256 mm square and this is given 31.4 mm. After calculating, you will get 800 mm. 800 mm can be converted into centimeter. By dividing it by 10, you will get 80 centimeter. So either you write 800 mm or 80 centimeter. And the C part is, again you have to find the height. This formula will be used. So 2 into area is given 170.5 centimeter square and the base is given 22 centimeter. When you will calculate it, you will get 15.5 centimeter. Question 5. There are two parts in question 5. In first part, you have to find the area of parallelogram PQRS when SR is given 12 centimeter while its height is 7.6. So to find the area of parallelogram, area of PQRS, base into height. Base is SR, that is 12, and height is given 7.6 centimeter. So it will be 91.2 centimeter square. Now coming to part 2. In this, you have to find the height of QN. This is a parallelogram whose area already has been found 91.2 centimeter square. तो पैरेललोग्राम तो वही है, तो इसलिए एरिया तो 91.2 ही रहेगा, बट बेस अब हो जाएगा इसका PS. अब बेस PS लेंगे और हाइट QN लेंगे. PS इज गिवन 8 सेंटीमीटर, तो बेस PS लेकर के हमें हाइट QN फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो हाइट इज इक्वल्स टू हाइट ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया अपॉन बेस. एरिया ऑलरेडी हम फाइंड आउट कर चुके हैं 91.2 और बेस PS है, PS इज गिवन 8 सेंटीमीटर. सो it will be 11.4 centimeter. In question 6, ABCD is a parallelogram whose area is given 1470 centimeter square and AB is given 35 centimeter and AD is given 49 centimeter. In the question you have to find out BM, that is one of the heights, and DL, that is other height. When we will find out the height of the BM, the length of the BM, जब हम BM find out करेंगे तो AD को base लेंगे और जब DL को find out करना होगा तब AB as a base use होगा. So basically हमको height find out करनी है. So to find BM, AD will be taken as the base. So BM is equals to area upon AD. Area is given 1470 centimeter square and AD is 49 centimeter. So it will be 30 centimeter. BM is equals to 30 centimeter. Similarly, for finding out the DL, the area will remain same. Area is 1470 centimeter square and the base will be used AB. AB is given 35. So it will be 42 centimeter. Question 7. In question 7, a triangle is given ABC which is showing that it is 90 degree at point A and height is AD. BC is given 13, AB is 5 centimeter and AC is 12 centimeter. The question is that you have to find the area of triangle ABC. For finding the area of triangle ABC, if we are taking BC as base, तो हमको AD height पता होनी चाहिए, but AD given नहीं है, इसलिए हमको AC will be taken as height because this is also 90 degree. जब ये 90 degree है तो AB base ले लेंगे और AC को height ले लेंगे. Means area of triangle ABC is equals to 1 by 2 into AB, that is base, into AC. Then 1 by 2 into 5 into 12. That is 30 centimeter square. So the area is 30 centimeter square. अब हमको AD find out करनी है. AD find out करने के लिए BC को as a base use करना होगा. तो AD will be the height. So finding out the AD, the formula will be 2 into area upon BC. BC base है तो formula होता है 2 into area upon BC. तो 2 into area already find out कर चुके हैं 30 centimeter square and BC base is 13. तो AD की height हो जाएगी 60 upon 13 centimeter. Question 8. In question 8, a triangle has been shown in which two side heights are there. One is AD and one is CE. जब हम AD को as a height लेंगे, then BC will be used as base, क्योंकि ये यहाँ पर 90 डिग्री का एंगल बना रही है. तो एरिया फाइंड आउट करने के लिए BC को बेस यूज करेंगे एंड AD will be used as height. So area of triangle ABC is equals to half into base. Base is given 9 centimeter and height is 6 centimeter. That is 27 centimeter square. अब हमें CE फाइंड आउट करनी है. CE भी एक हाइट है. जब CE हाइट लेंगे then AB will be taken as base. तो CE को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए 27 centimeter एरिया यूज करेंगे and AB as the base. So CE is equals to 2 into area upon AB. 2 area is 27 and AB is given 7.5. This is centimeter square and this is centimeter. Calculate करेंगे, then it will be 7.2 centimeter.